Migrate your data to iDrive E2 directly from your S3-compatible cloud storage provider. The process of moving data is easy, as it does not require any additional tools, and it is available for free to all iDrive E2 users. To migrate data to iDrive E2, sign into your account and navigate to the Data Migration tab. Click Start Data Migration and select a service provider. Configure the source of migration by providing the applicable details for Access Key ID, Secret Key, Source Regions, or Endpoint URL. Click Configure Source. Select a bucket that you wish to migrate to iDrive E2. You can configure additional settings to specify a folder or set a pattern filter for objects to be migrated. Click Next. Select the destination region in iDrive E2 to migrate the selected bucket. Next, choose a destination bucket or folder in the region. You can also create a new bucket. Click Import. The process of data migration will start. You can view the progress of the migration and more details under Status.